Hey guys, we've got some fall service work to do on our pool. Come on, let's check it out. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Hey guys, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. It's a sad time of year for anybody that's involved in doing pools because it means you're closing things down and you're winterizing. Now for me, I do not shut everything down completely, but we do turn the heat off, and we have to do different chemicals over the winter time when the water gets cold, and there's certain maintenance we do in the fall as well. One of the things that I'm going to do is I'm going to service my salt generator, or my chlorine generator. I have a salt system, it's chlorine generator, and I want to walk you guys through going through that cleaning process. It's kind of amazing how much calcium buildup can get on the electrodes, and it's amazing how clean it'll get with just a treatment. So anyway, we're going to go check this out. We'll do it step by step together. To get started with this, the first thing you want to do, and I'll swing the camera back around, is you want to turn your pump off so you've got no water circulating. This is the microprocessor control here, and you just unplug the control box. You could turn the circuit breaker off, but it doesn't hurt anything just to unplug the control box. And then we come over back to here, and this is put in with thumb screws, so this can be taken out of the circuit. And so what we're going to do is take the salt generator out. So I am going to set the camera down here, and bear with me while I get this adjusted, and we're going to pull this off. Wow, I will show you guys here in a second. So guys, if you can see down in there, that is all calcium buildup, and it really impedes with the water flow, and it absolutely impedes in the chlorinator doing its job. So there's a kit, and I'll show you guys all how to do this. We're going to set this up, put a cleaner in, and let it clean all this off, and you won't believe how beautiful it'll be when we're done. It's really cool. Hold on, here we go. All right, there's two things that you need to be able to do this process. One is a little acid kit that you get, and the main thing it basically is just with a rubber O-ring and a cap, and this allows you to seal one end to basically turn this into a little canister so you can fill it full of fluid. And the other product you need is, we use the Salt Scapes, and it's the cell cleaner. Just get this from any pool store. And I did one treatment early in the season, and I've got just enough left to do a second treatment now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to screw this cap on the end. Now we're talking. Okay, now that we've got that poured in there, we just play the waiting game. I think it's 15 to 30 minutes, and I'm going to swing the camera back around, and I'm going to show you. If you guys can see, you can see that it's bubbling, and that is just eating that stuff away. And here in a little while, that will be all just as clean as it can be. So we'll play the waiting game, and we'll come back here shortly when it's done. Well guys, it's been about 30 minutes, and let me show you the results. It's pretty cool. So if you look down in, I hope you guys can see. Let me see, it's getting kind of dark late in the day, but as you can see, it's really just clean as a pin. So anyway, now it's just a matter of just reversing it and putting it back together. Okay, so the chlorine generator has been reinstalled, and now it's time to prime the pump and get the water flowing again. I'm going to go ahead and clean out this basket. we'll just rerun the wire and connect back up the chlorine generator. Now the unit goes through its normal power up. This is normal. And once it all settles down and goes through its boot up cycle, this will settle down, and hopefully I won't be reading red anymore on my salt levels because I just put salt in. Well, hey guys, it's the next day and just wanted to do a final follow-up with you guys on the video of servicing your chlorine generator. Anyway, I also wanted to apologize. I was looking at the video. The lighting was terrible. Here, this time of year, once the sun goes down over the mountain, man, it gets dark fast. And that's what happened to me yesterday afternoon. So I apologize for a lot of the real dark shots. But anyway, here it is the next day, and just wanted to go over the final couple of things. Everything's back up and running, everything's rebooted up, and everything's operational. And the one last thing you want to check is just to make sure nothing is leaking, because we did take everything out of the circuit, water circuit, not electrical circuit, and just want to make sure we don't have any drips or leaks. So anyway, I'm going to swing the camera around and we'll come back over here. Again, the last time you guys saw, this was flashing. It's now steady red. It is indicating that I do have low salt, and I actually went and picked up some more this morning and have already put that in, so this should go back to green here in the next day or so. And if you look, you can feel down through here and through here, and we absolutely have no water dripping or leaking, so we are in good shape. So that's all the last thing we need to do to finish this up. So anyway, guys, thanks again for watching, and hope you find these informative. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing, and please share with your friends. And for now, we'll call it a day. You guys have a great week coming up, and thanks for watching. And remember, at Project Next, there's always one more, so we'll be back again real soon. Thanks, guys. Take care. See you soon. Bye.